Hi. Now I want to show you how simple and how quick you can make a marinated plant meat pieces. This time I'm going to make a spicy kebab. So first I mix my marinade. I put water in my bowl. I add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I add my spice mix. And I add some oil because our plant-made product is practically fat-free. So here is my marinade. In this bag I have the plant-made slices. I simply pour this marinade over the slices. Then, if I allow this to wait for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, it will absorb all the liquid. But if I want to do things instantly, I can just apply vacuum to this bag. This process will take 30 seconds. And that's it. This product here is actually already hydrated. I will just leave it for 30 seconds, open the bag, and it's ready to eat. And there you are, kebab ready to eat. Excellent. You can see examples of how to use our product range on our website for applications on 3xwplantmade.dk. There you can find inspiration videos which are both relevant for industry, large commercial kitchens and home use. I'll see you in the other videos.